The 9th of May 2020 marks the 75th anniversary of the Liberation. And to help us remember and celebrate this special day, Swoffers is challenging every islander to decorate their home, school, office or place of work with DIY recycled bunting. There are lots of ways to make your own bunting and lots of materials you can use to make it without damaging the environment. Here are our top tips. Collect old clothes or fabric to make your bunting out of. This is a great way to recycle clothes that are damaged or not good enough to donate to a charity shop. Use our template to cut out your bunting triangles. Use pinking shears to help stop your fabric fraying. Red, white and blue plain and patterned fabric looks great. You could knit or crochet triangles. Again, use any leftover wool or yarn you can find. Be creative with other ideas. Red and blue Guernsey milk cartons make great recycled bunting. Stick, staple, sew or peg your bunting triangles onto strong ribbon, tape or string and get decorating. Finally, why not get together with friends, family, work colleagues or community groups and hold a bunting making bash? Get creating, get celebrating, get online to start.